Hi, P4 students. This is Miss Claire, and welcome again in our Math 4 class. Let's continue our lesson for Chapter 4, Time. In this video, you will learn Lesson 3, Converting Between Units of Time, and Lesson 4, Intervals Between Units of Time. Okay, P4, are you ready to learn today? So stay tuned and enjoy watching this video. Okay, let's start with lesson 3 or lesson C, converting between units of time. Okay, the learning outcome for this lesson is to understand the direct relationship between units of time and convert between them. So look at this picture. How much time do you spend sleeping at night, and what do you use to measure your sleeping time? Okay, share your answer, children, during our class. And take a look also here. Ralph slept for 8 hours. He thinks it is equal to 480 seconds. Do you think he is correct? Okay, let's check your answer during our class. To check also if Ralph is correct, I have here some conversion. Take a look. So in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. Look at children. S for seconds. MIN or means minute. In 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. In 1 day, you have 24 hours. And for 1 week, you have 7 days. In a year, you have 52 weeks. And in a year also, you have 12 months. Okay, children, anyway, in 1 year, how many days? You can share or give your answers during our class. Okay? Now, I have here a problem or some information. Do you know the number of days in a month? So there is a trick children on how to find the number of days in a month using our hands, using our knuckles. See? Okay, take a look. So each knuckle stands for the months that have, take a look, January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. All of these 7 months have 31 days. The curve between knuckles stands for days with months with 30 days, except for, of course, February, because February, children, has 28 days except during leap year. Okay, so how long is the concert in minutes? Take a look. A school concert is 2 hours long. So what is 2 hours in minutes? Remember that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Therefore, 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Let's continue. How long is the soccer match in hours and minutes? Take a look. A soccer match is 90 minutes long. What is 90 minutes in hours and minutes? First, we can write 90 minutes as 60 minutes plus 30 minutes because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it means that is only 1 hour and 30 minutes. It does not enough to make 2 hours because 2 hours is 120 minutes. Another, how long does it take to fill up the container in seconds? A tap takes 3 minutes 10 seconds to fill up a container. What is 3 minutes 10 seconds in seconds? So remember 3 minutes. So in 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we have 60 seconds plus 60 plus 60, and that is equal to 180. Then we have another 10 seconds here. So we will add 180 by 10 plus 10. So the total is 190 seconds. So therefore, it takes 190 seconds. So 3 minutes 10 seconds is equal to 190 seconds. Okay. How many hours does the ship spend at the port? A ship spends 3 days at the port. How many hours does the ship spend at the port? So let's convert 3 days into hours. Remember 1 day, how many hours? Yes, there are 24 hours. Therefore, we will add 24 into 3 times. So that is equal to 72 hours. Okay. Therefore, the ship spends 72 hours at the port. Let's continue. How many days and hours does the delivery company need? A delivery company needs 60 hours to deliver a package. How many days and hours does the delivery company need to deliver the package? Remember, one day is 24 hours. We use 48 hours means this is 24 plus 24 and that is 2 days. Then, what is the remaining hour? 60 minus 48 is 12 hours. Therefore, 2 days is and 12 hours, that is equal to 60 hours. So the company needs 2 days and 12 hours to deliver the package. Okay, before, let's move on to the next lesson. Lesson 4 or D, intervals between units of time. The learning outcome for this lesson is to find time intervals between different units, days, weeks, months, and years, and also seconds, minutes, and hours that do not bridge through 60. Okay, take a look here. For how many days will Easy be at the camp? How do you know? So start on April 21st and end on April 23rd. Okay, then try also to answer this one, children. During Easy's camp, she had her morning exercise at 8 in the morning. It ended at 8:45 a.m. So how many minutes was her exercise? If her exercise begins at 5 p.m. and ends at 5:45 p.m., instead, will the time spent on exercising change? So try to compute or find the answer for this question after watching this video. Okay, I have here a problem. How many years and months did it take to build the stadium? Okay, a city started building a stadium in June 2018 and completed it in February 2021. How many years and months did it take to build the stadium? We can use a timeline to help us. So from June 2018, that is the starting date or time. We add 2 years, that is June, is still the same month, so 2020. Now from June to December, that is 6 months. From December, we will have another year, right? We will count from December, we have January, February, so we have 2 months, and that is February 2021, and that is the end time. So look at how many years. We have 2 years here, and we have how many months? 6 plus 2, and that is 8 months. So therefore, it took 2 years and 8 months to build the stadium. Is it long to build the stadium before? Okay, another problem. How many weeks and days did the 2016 Olympic Games last? The 2016 Olympic Games started on 5 of August and ended on 21 of August. How many weeks and days did the Olympic Games last that year, on that year? So that is 2016, so 5 of August. After 1 week is 12, so 5 plus 7 is 12 of August. Then we add another week. Remember, 1 week is 7 days. So 12 plus 7. So we add 7. When we see 1 week is 7 days. So 12 plus 7 is 19. Remember, it ended on 21. If we add 7 to 19, that is already 19 plus 7 is 25. So it's already more than. It means we only add how many days from 19 to 21? 2 days only. Therefore, we have 7 days, and 2 days, or 2 weeks and 2 days. Therefore, the Olympic Games lasted for 2 weeks and 2 days, or 7 days, 14 days, and 2 days, that is 16 days. Let's continue. Another problem. How long was the train journey? A train left town A at 8 p.m. on 18th of April. It arrived at town B at 8:50 p.m. on 19th of April. How long was the journey? So remember that the date already changed. Okay, we can use the timeline. So we have 18th of April, that is 8 in the evening. That is down A. One day, if that is 19th of April, the same time. Remember, see, the same time, that is one day or 24 hours, right? And it ends at 8:50. So we add from 8 p.m. and 8:50, that is 50 minutes. Okay, therefore, the train journey from town A to town B is 1 day and 50 minutes, or 24 days and 50 minutes. Okay, P4, I have here a problem for you. Try to answer this and write your answers in my question in Google Classroom. A plane leaves from Singapore at 12:15. This is a 24-hour time. Take a note, take a look. A plane leaves from Singapore at 12:15. It arrives in Bali at 14:55 on the same day. Take note, Singapore and Bali have the same time zone, so they have the same time. So how long did the plane take to travel from Singapore to Bali? So try to compute the number of hours and number of minutes. So your answer should be in hours and minutes, and write that on my question in Google Classroom. Okay, P4? Okay, P4, that's all about Chapter 4, Time, Lesson 3, Converting between units of time, and Lesson 4, Intervals between units of time. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, children, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone, and have a nice day.